Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. As you can see here guys, I have an Android tablet here and the brand doesn't really matter. What I'm going to show you to do is how to connect your USB type USB flash drives to of course the tablet. This is ideal for transferring files, and of course I'm going to show you how to easily set up everything. All right, and the process is quite easy. So of course first thing you'll need guys is to make sure that it's easier on tablets that are USB type C. So any new tablet should be USB type C. As you can see here guys, I'm gonna show you what's happening with this tablet. So if you check out this particular tablet, if I can find a port, here we go. It is a USB type C tablet, so it's a type C port. All right, so if I turn this to the side here, so I'm gonna place this on this platform for ease of convenience. All right, forgive me, I'm doing this with one hand. And of course here we have the tablet and it's unlocked. Now in order to connect this, you're gonna need a flash drive that is either standard. If you have this one, you'll need a USB to type C converter. Then it will plug onto this, they're very small, and then you'll plug it into the tablet. But otherwise you'll need a flash drive like this that doubles with a type C port. So mine is ready to go. You can pick this up on Amazon. I'll have them in the description. All right, so once you make the interface, either by the adapter or of course the flash drive supports it, you're gonna go ahead and place it in. All right, so here we go. So I'm gonna plug this in. Forgive me again, I'm doing this with one hand. All right, so notice again, it is connected right there. All right, so it's connected on the side over there, which is on the left side. Now, of course, it's one of the latest tablets. This one has the latest firmware. This is Android tablet through and through. So I've connected the flash drive. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. So if I slide down here or slide down the notification here. All right, so you'll see a bunch of options here. And if I look carefully, guys, around here, forgive me again, I'm doing this with just one hand. You'll see here it says issue with your USB drive, tap to fix. All right, so it is showing me a USB drive that's connected, but of course it has problems. So let me go straight to that. All right, so we're gonna tap to the issue with USB drive. All right, so it says, do you want to format SD card for portable storage? Now, of course, these devices require or seem to need a portable type storage. So you need to format for portable storage, you need to add the files that needed. All right, so it depends on what I have on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and format it. For newer devices, it doesn't need to format it for portability, but for whatever the reason, this one requires that it's formatted for portability. And of course, there you go. If I were to format, it would actually format it and then it should work. However, a newer type device like your phone doesn't really need formatting. There's an option to format it another way, and of course it says it's going to format it to store apps and media use on this tablet only. So of course if you format this particular one, it will have to be formatted to work only on this device. So it's up to you. So which one works best? You can switch between the formats and you can hit format. I don't want to do this for this device, but if you do, it should work in connecting the flash drive. You just need to interface it and format it for these devices. But for these type of tablets, I would keep a single flash drive that I could format for it to use it accordingly. But of course, that's just showing you the setup there. And of course, seeing that everything is here. Once we are finished, as long as nothing is being written to the drive, I can easily go ahead and just simply disconnect it. All right, so I've disconnected it. So you can actually connect flash drives to your tablets. You may have to format it, but of course, if it's a dedicated flash drive for the tablet, it should work. For this particular one, don't want to format this one as it works on my phone just fine. Just showing you that flash drives do connect and you can actually add additional storage different from the SD card and add and remove files. All right, so I do hope this was useful just to show you how it does work, and see you in the next one, guys.